Hi, today I'm making a video about installing the Bluetooth module on a 2020 Street Triple RS. If you want to see how it's done, stay tuned. Thanks. Okay, so today we're making a video of the installing the Bluetooth on the 2020 Street Triple RS. Here's the Bluetooth module that we'll be installing today. Here's the bracket that you need. If I could get it off with my cast on, great. And it comes with a hardware kit. We'll get all the hardware out. There's some instructions, but not gonna really need them. Okay, so I think the Bluetooth module goes this way. Okay, so this goes on top. Alright, so you gotta get the small nut on the top and Phillips head.
Screw the extra down together before you start installing it into the bike. Makes it a lot easier. Alright, so it's all screwed into the bracket. So when you screw it into the bracket, so you don't make the mistake I did, you put the cord out the short part, not the long part that is sticking out. And now we'll go
and install it on the bike. I'll show you the step-by-step what you have to do to take everything off to get into the connector for the module. Okay, so let's reverse this. I installed them backwards. It's not that easy working with a cast, I'll tell you that. Some of the tools that we'll be using today are a small Phillips head, wire cutters, a 5mm Allen wrench, a 3mm Allen wrench, small screwdriver, and a pair of pliers because I'm not looking for a small socket. I'll just do it the getaway. Alright, so first we'll release the passenger cover. Then you need the 5mm Allen bolt to come out of the seat. You just have to pull it back and pop it off. You just pinch it somewhere so it doesn't go sliding. But yeah, you're gonna remove this tape that's right here. I don't know if you can see it. Hope you can see it good right there, the blue tape. So I'm gonna cut it off. This blue tape holds a Bluetooth connector behind it. Bluetooth connector, I can feel it. Not much room in here to pull it out. Let's see if I can get it with the pliers. And if you could see that, this white connector right here is the Bluetooth connector. So we're going to squeeze it and take the cover off. It isn't the easiest working with a cath, I'll tell you that. There we go. Cover off. Now we will connect the Bluetooth module. Okay, it's all connected. Push it down in there. Where you're going to need your Allen bolt, your 3mm. So this goes under, sorry. Trying to make it not hit anything. The nut goes through the bottom. Yeah, it'd be a lot easier if I could use my hand, but I had to use a grabber to get the screw that fell down. Let's see if I can get this right now. Okay. Looks pretty good, so hopefully connect the negative battery. We'll see if it works. If not, then I have to take it to Triumph so they can program the software. All screwed in. Slide the seat back where it goes. Alright, so I just got done installing the Bluetooth module on the bike. Connector that was covering the Bluetooth module plug. Now let's see if it's connected, because if it's working, the Bluetooth module I mean, on my bike, because my bike's software was updated while I was down during the pandemic. Alright, put the key, turn it on. See if the Bluetooth module is spinning. See that the wrench light is on because I disconnected the battery. Yeah, the Bluetooth would be spinning right here if it was directed. I don't know if you can see that, it's so hard. Yeah, right under the miles per hour, the Bluetooth circle would be spinning, but it's not, so I have to take it into the dealership to get service on. Let me see, let's see. Let's see. nothing's happening, so I have to take it to the dealer so you can get the Bluetooth system connected, or download the software, I mean. Man, nothing's happening. Alright. Shut off for now. Street triple. There you have it. There's the installation of the Bluetooth module on the 2020 Street Triple RS. It's not that hard. Hopefully you like it. Just give me a like. Leave me a comment. Appreciate it. Thanks, guys.